So, what is fleet management and why is it important? Quite simply, it utilizes hardware to report real-time and historical data to maximize efficiencies within a company's fleet of vehicles. This data can include details from trip history and vehicle location to vehicle health data and even video footage of driving time, leading to help local fleets operate safer and more efficiently. Drone Fleet isn't just about dots on a screen, it's about transforming operations, boosting safety, and unlocking bigger profits. But from the sales side, it means a lot more for our partners. Most people think fleets are companies with 250 or more vehicles. While this is true and we could accommodate those, our target is local fleets. What is a local fleet, you ask? The mom-and-pop companies that have 2, 10, or even 50 assets on the road. We do these local fleets better than anyone, and this underserviced, often ignored market can be your golden egg. Just think of how many electrician vans or flower delivery vehicles you see on the road every single day. The large fleet companies don't go after this business, but we will help you to get these sales. How is Drone Fleet different? What sets us apart? And how you can earn with us. Sales flexibility drives everything we do. We have 3 revenue categories you can earn from. First is hardware sales, second is monthly recurring residuals, and lastly, the installation labor. There are 3 ways to earn on those categories. First, you make the complete sale. You manage it all, sell the hardware, help choose the plan, and install the devices if needed. You will earn in all 3 categories. Second, we make the sale and bring it to you. If we find a client that wants to pay up front, we will hand off the complete sale to you, our partner in the territory, and again you will earn in all 3 categories. Third, you bring a lease opportunity to us. Less money up front for your client, bring us the lead and we will handle the lease, and hand back the deal for you to earn monthly residuals and the installation labor if needed. These all allow you to start earning as you grow with us. Here's where we truly stand apart. Our advantages simply make sense. We have real in-house support and partners across North America, supporting you where and when you need it. Want help to secure the big deal? Presenting deal registration. We reward proactive partners by providing potential pricing advantages, allocation of inventory, so you can protect those larger fleet projects. Simply complete our online form and submit for registration. Clear, flexible, and affordable plans that are easy to understand for customers. Our tracking plan includes 1-minute breadcrumb trails, start and stop locations, unlimited geofences, and points of interest. Upgrade to the Tracking Plus plan to gain more trip details and add video support for XE. Plan flexibility includes scaling fleets as new assets are added, discounts for 10 or more vehicles, even month-to-month plans with no reactivation fees if an asset is paused, perfect for some seasonal businesses. What if upfront costs are a concern? We can help your customers reduce those costs with affordable leasing options, which include the hardware and the plan. This means less money up front for them, and yes, you still get the labor and recurring revenue on referred leases. Reach out to your representative for more details. Our advantages will give you an edge over competitors. Click the next button below to move on to Module 2.